Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Chef Walter with News You Can Eat 24, and with me I have Chris Spertini, the owner of a wonderful restaurant located on Broadway on the Federal Hill section of Providence named Maria's Cucina, which is about to turn 1 year old, I believe, right, Chris?
Yes, first year anniversary.
Well, we are all under this plague, if you call it, with this epidemic, and how was affecting your restaurant and the restaurants across the area here?
Very scary. Many restaurants are closed, some are doing takeout, most aren't doing takeout. The governor is now about to put phase 1 into play, and it's only outside dining. It's only allowed no more than 5 people per table. It's just a very scary time for all restaurants. We don't know whether we can reopen, not reopen. We don't know what's ahead of us.
The governor has implemented a new regulation, which at first sounds a little bit weird. As you know, it's very hard to run an operation where the consumer cannot touch a menu. Dishes have to be sanitized along with the tables and so on, and that makes it a little bit complicated, correct?
Very complicated. I would not want to be a politician in this time. I understand that they're trying to keep people safe, but unfortunately they're also putting a lot of people out of business. We need to be able to get back to some sort of business, at least 50%, to give people an opportunity to try to stay open. And that's an unknown factor for so many people right now in business.
And of course the outdoor dining doesn't help that much, because we cannot guarantee always perfect weather for outdoor dining.
I've done a lot of years in the restaurant business dealing with the weather. The weather doesn't typically get good here until sometime in June, where you can say, hey, look, I can set up and know that every day it's going to be a decent night. It's not going to be 40, it's not going to be 50, it's not going to be 80. You just don't know, unfortunately, in New England.
And of course, with the shrinkage of the dining room areas, there might not be enough seating to support the expenses of an ongoing business.
Your bills are still 100%.
Right.
Your 15% capacity or 20% capacity with 100% of your bills, the numbers just don't work.
Well, we hope this turns out for the best for our state, because the state relies mostly on tourism income and, of course, our great restaurant. We thank Chris Spertini for his output on this, and we'll chat with you next time. This is Chef Walter with News You Can Eat 24 on Federal Hill in Providence.
Thank you.